Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add WordPress website in Hostinger. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Hostinger hosting and we are in website section. So click on it. So we have business web hosting and then we are going to add website. Now you see add website button. So click on it and then you see WordPress. So click on it and then you see create login detail for your WordPress account. So you can select your language, add admin email, password and then you see next button. So click on it. Now you see two options, create a website with AI, pre-built website and theme. Now select this and then click on next, or if you want you can click on create blank site. So we are going to select create blank site. So we are going to add theme plugin according to our requirement. So click on it. Then you can add your domain name. If you don't have your domain name, then click on use temporary domain. So we have our own domain. Now paste. So we added our domain. Now you see this domain is registered at another provider. So after that we are going to point this domain to Hostinger and then click on next. If you want you can click on use temporary domain, so it's up to you. So click on next. Now installing WordPress. Now you see done. Now you see WordPress installation done. WordPress install on temporary domain. So I will point our domain to Hostinger. Now you see domain need setup, manage. So you can add your domain. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.